Okay, real quick everybody, I did a video that's coming out soon, making bread in the Ninja Foodi Deluxe from start to finish. You know, with the yeast and everything. So be looking for that. But I wanted to show y'all real quick what this looks like. Oh, it smells so good. So we're going to take a real quick taste. Oh, it's so nice and soft. All right. We've got our piece of bread. It's nice on bread. But butter. And jam and jelly. So we got some butter on here. I'm just doing butter now. And time to test this out. As you can see, this is one of the ways, my favorite ways to make bread. So stay tuned to the video. See you next time on Cooking Dairy Free and I Forgot with Nancy.